Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to your profile. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to stop. Once done, back up any photos or messages you may need later. Export now so nothing is lost. Then tap the menu, 3 lines, choose Settings, and prepare to switch account type or deactivate. This is the first actionable move because you must be in the right place to change account status. Now you decide whether to stop by switching to a business or creator account or by deactivating temporarily. Go to Account and pick the option that fits. If switching, follow the prompts and connect necessary Facebook pages or contact info. If deactivating, go to Help or Account Settings on desktop, select Temporarily Disable Account, choose a reason, enter your password, and confirm. This is where the middle. Finish by confirming the final prompt. You must tap Confirm to apply the switch or deactivate, otherwise nothing changes. Make sure to log out and check after 24 to 48 hours to verify the account status because Instagram sometimes delays updates. If something goes wrong, clear app cache, update the app, or retry the process on desktop. If you still can't proceed, reset your password and try again. That often resolves access or confirmation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.